Morbid SCOTUS Stories Number 1. Buck v. Bell was a landmark U.S. Supreme Court case in which the court upheld a Virginia law permitting the involuntary sterilization of individuals deemed unfit to reproduce. The case arose when Carrie Buck, a young woman institutionalized at the Virginia State Colony for Epileptics and the Feeble-Minded, was selected to be sterilized under the state's new eugenics law. Officials claim Buck, her mother, and her daughter were all feeble-minded, a term used at the time to justify sterilization under the belief that certain traits such as mental illness or perceived developmental disabilities were hereditary and detrimental to society. Writing for the 8-1 majority, Justice Oliver Wendell Holmes Jr. affirmed the constitutionality of the Virginia statute, famously concluding, 3 generations of imbeciles are enough. The court reasoned that the state's interest in preventing the transmission of hereditary defects outweighed Buck's individual rights, framing the procedure as a form of protection for both society and the individual. The decision effectively legitimized the practice of forced sterilization across the United States, and thousands of people, many poor, institutionalized, or from marginalized communities, were subsequently sterilized without their consent. In later years, the case became a focal point for criticism of the eugenics movement and the misuse of science and law to justify human rights violations. Evidence emerged suggesting that Carrie Buck may not have even been mentally impaired, casting doubt on the integrity of the original proceedings. Though Buck v. Bell has never been formally overturned, it is widely discredited and viewed as a cautionary example of how flawed science and prejudice can shape public policy and legal doctrine. The case remains a stark reminder of the ethical challenges involved when the state asserts power over individuals in the name of social welfare.